Everybody is looking for ways to make money while they sleep, right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Mentor Hub channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart: passive income. We all want financial freedom, right? That ability to live life on your own terms without being tied to a 9-to-5 grind. Well, passive income is one of the most powerful ways to achieve that. Now let's be real. Passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It takes effort, especially up front. But the beauty is, once you put in the work, you can potentially earn money while you sleep, travel, or just chill with a cup of coffee. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 awesome passive income ideas that can help you build wealth over time. We'll be talking about real estate, dividend stocks, digital products, and more. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. First up, we've got real estate. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, real estate isn't exactly passive. You've got tenants, repairs, property taxes, and you're right, it's not completely hands-off, but hear me out. Real estate can be a fantastic way to generate long-term wealth and create a stream of passive income. Think about it, you buy a property, rent it out, and boom, you've got a consistent cash flow coming in every single month. Of course, it's not always sunshine and rainbows. You've got to factor in your initial investment, which can be substantial depending on the property and location. You'll also need to do your research, analyze the market, and maybe even deal with the occasional leaky faucet. But here's the thing, the potential returns can be incredible. Not only do you have the monthly rental income, but you also benefit from property appreciation over time. Plus, there are some sweet tax advantages that come with owning real estate. So, if you're willing to put in the work up front, and you're comfortable with a bit of risk, real estate could be your ticket to building serious wealth. Just remember, knowledge is power. Do your due diligence, educate yourself, and don't be afraid to seek advice from experienced investors. Next up, let's talk about dividend stocks. Now, if you're looking for a more passive way to generate income, this one might be right up your alley. Dividend stocks are essentially shares of ownership in a company that pays out a portion of its profits to shareholders, typically on a quarterly basis. Think of it like this: you invest in a company you believe in, and in return, they share a piece of their success with you. It's like getting a little bonus check every few months just for being a shareholder. The initial investment required for dividend stocks can vary widely, depending on the company and the stock price. But the beauty is, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. There are plenty of affordable dividend-paying companies out there. Now, it's important to note that not all dividend stocks are created equal. Just like with any investment, you need to do your research and choose wisely. Look for companies with a solid track record of profitability and dividend payments. The potential for regular income with dividend stocks is definitely appealing. Imagine having a stream of passive income flowing into your account every quarter without you having to lift a finger. It's like having your money work for you, even while you're busy enjoying life. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of digital products. This is where things get really interesting. Creating and selling digital products is a fantastic way to leverage your knowledge, skills, and passions to generate passive income. Think about it. What are you good at? What do people always come to you for advice on? Maybe you're a whiz at photography, a coding guru, or a master chef. Whatever your expertise, there's a good chance you can package it into a digital product and sell it online. We're talking about things like eBooks, online courses, templates, presets, stock photos. The list goes on. The beauty of digital products is that once you create them, you can sell them over and over again, without having to reinvent the wheel each time. Of course, there's some initial effort involved. You'll need to create the product, set up a sales platform, and maybe even do some marketing to get the word out. But once it's up and running, it can generate passive income while you sleep, travel, or work on your next big idea. The potential for passive income with digital products is huge. And the best part is, you're in control. You get to choose what you create, how you price it, and how you promote it. It's a truly empowering way to build wealth on your own terms. Now let's talk about a passive income strategy that's a little bit different: peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending for short. This one's all about connecting borrowers with lenders directly, cutting out the traditional banks and financial institutions. Think of it like this: you've got some extra cash sitting around, and instead of letting it collect dust in a savings account, you decide to lend it out to someone else and earn interest on it. That's the basic premise of P2P lending. There are various platforms that facilitate these transactions, connecting borrowers who need loans with investors like you who are willing to lend money. You get to choose which loans you want to invest in based on factors like the borrower's creditworthiness, the loan amount, and the interest rate. Now, it's important to remember that with any investment, there are risks involved. P2P lending is no different. There's always the chance that a borrower could default on their loan, which means you could lose some or all of your investment. That's why it's crucial to do your due diligence, diversify your investments across multiple loans, and only invest what you can afford to lose. But if you're comfortable with a bit of risk, and you're looking for potentially higher returns than traditional savings accounts, P2P lending could be worth exploring. Last but not least, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to monetize your online presence, whether you have a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even just a strong social media following. Here's how it works. You partner with a company that sells products or services that you love and believe in. You then promote those products or services to your audience through unique affiliate links. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's like being a brand ambassador, but instead of getting free swag, you get cold, hard cash. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The company gets more exposure and sales, your audience discovers awesome products or services they might love, and you earn passive income for connecting them. Now, the key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and genuine. Only promote products or services that you truly believe in and that align with your values and your audience's interests. Don't just try to push random products for a quick buck. If you focus on building trust with your audience and providing them with valuable recommendations, affiliate marketing can become a lucrative source of passive income for you. Just remember to disclose your affiliate relationships transparently and honestly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which passive income idea you're most excited about. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort, but by exploring these passive income ideas and taking action, you can set yourself up for a brighter financial future. It's all about finding what works best for you, your goals, and your risk tolerance. So, what are you waiting for? Start researching, start planning, and start building those passive income streams today. The sooner you start, the sooner you can reap the rewards. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment.